Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how you can install Google Analytics 4 on your Webflow site. So let's get started. If you've been building your website on Webflow and want to gain powerful insights about your visitors, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to track traffic and user behavior like a pro. First, make sure your Google Analytics 4 account is set up and you're ready to create a data stream. At the setup stage, choose Web as your platform. This tells Google that you're tracking a website. Next, enter your full website URL, starting with https:// to ensure Analytics collects data from the correct site. Then, give your data stream a clear name, such as My Business Website. This helps keep things organized, especially if you manage multiple sites in the future. Once named, click Create and Continue. It may take a moment for the system to set up your stream. That's normal. After the stream is created, click View Instructions and select Install manually for Webflow. This will give you a snippet of tracking code, sometimes called the global site tag. Don't worry about the details, just copy the entire snippet. Switch over to your Webflow dashboard and open your site settings. Go to the Custom Code section and paste the tracking code into the head code field. This ensures every page on your site collects data for Google Analytics as soon as someone visits. Don't forget to save your changes. It's a small step, but crucial. Finally, publish your site again so the new code goes live. Without publishing, Analytics won't be able to track your visitors yet. And that's it. Your Webflow site is now connected to Google Analytics 4, and you can start gaining valuable insights about how people find and interact with your site. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.